Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's about time. It's been about 3 weeks since I got to go out on site with my sawmill because of the weather. It was either too muddy, and then after it was too muddy, it got too cold and frozen. So I finally get to go out on site. It's a Saturday morning, and I got about 6 logs to do, but it ended up being maybe close to 800 to 1,000 feet because it's pretty nice cherry. I don't know if it'll be that much. We'll find out. So it won't be a full day right on the gravel driveway.